All right, we're doing a cold start on this 1971 Chevy C10, not the 97. I don't know why I say that. 1971 cold start. All right, fire it up. Sound like a tractor. Got a cherry bomb glass pack. 1971 Chevy C10 cold start. Shine. See if it dies on him now. It's funny that I said 97 before. I'm just talking too fast. Oh! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Come on! What's a choke? If the choke's on. We should go down the road sitting in that. And we'll be a swinging. How did we carry it? I would assume we picked it up. Yeah, we can take it that way. Alright, peace out. Like and subscribe. Subscribe for some more content.